Hello students, very good morning. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today for class 7 students, we are going to discuss assignment 16 on number system worksheet 2. Okay, now let us start the problems. The first problem is the product of factors of 45 is. He is asking to find out the product of factors of 45. Product of factors. Whether he is asking product of factors or number of factors or sum of factors, what is the first step? The given natural number we have to convert into its standard form. What do you mean by standard form? You have to write it as product of its prime factors. Okay, so that is what we call as standard form of the number. That is the first step. After that, we see what formula we have to apply to get the product of factors. First step is to convert 45 into its standard form. Let us do that. 45 is nothing but 9 into 5. Okay, 9 means 3 square. So we can write it as 3 square times of 5 power 1. It's a simple way to write. So 3 square into 5 power 1, that is what we call a standard form of 45. Once you got the standard form, whenever you are asked to find out product of factors, suppose you have a number n in such a way that p1 power n1 into p2 power n2 into p3 power n3, so on. Means n we wrote in its standard form. p1, p2, p3 are prime numbers, n1, n2, n3 are natural numbers. In that case, first step is find out the divisors of n. Find out the divisors of n. What are the divisors of n? Nothing but number of divisors. Divisors of n in the sense number of divisors of n. That is n1 plus 1 into n2 plus 1 into n3 plus 1. So on. D of n denotes number of divisors or number of factors of n. Once you got number of factors of n, then product of factors. Product of factors of n. Product of factors of n is given by n to the power of divide d of n by 2. N to the power of d of n by 2. What is d of n? Number of factors. So that is the formula to find out product of factors. Okay. Now we are given 45. That is nothing but n here. Now that is 3 square into 5 power 1. Therefore, first let us find out d of 45. What is d of 45? Number of factors of 45. Number of factors of 45. That is how much? 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. That is nothing but 2 plus 1, 3. 3 2s are 6. Okay. D of n is 6. Now what do you need now? Product of factors. Product of factors of 45. What is the formula? 45. That is n to the power of d of 45. That is number of divisors of 45 by 2. 45 to the power of d of 45 by 2. So 45 power d of 45 is how much we got? 6. 6 upon 2. That is nothing but 3. 2 1s and 2 3s. Therefore, the answer for this question is 45 to the power of 3. 45 to the power of 3. That is the product of the factors of 45. So out of the given 4 options, second option is the correct option. Okay. So what is the procedure we did? First n we have to convert as product of primes or standard form of n we have to write. After that d of n. What is d of n? Number of divisors or number of factors of n we have to find out by using the formula n1 plus 1 into n2 plus 1 into n3 plus 1, so on. After that, product of factors of n is given by n to the power of d of n by 2. Okay. So using the same concept, we converted 45 into product of primes, that is standard form. Thereby we found out d of 45 nothing but number of factors of 45. We got it as 6. Then product of factors of 45, we applied the formula 45 to the power of d of 45 by 2. So that we got the answer as 45 whole cube. Okay. Now we will move to the next question. The product of factors of 9 to the power of 7 is. Product of factors of 9 to the power of 7 is. Okay. So 9 to the power of 7, already it is in standard form. Is it in standard form? No. Because 9 is not a prime number. It appears to be in standard form, but it is not so. 9 is not a prime number. If it is a prime number, we would have said that it is in its standard form. So first 9 power 7 we can write as 3 square to the power of 7. 3 square is nothing but 9. That is nothing but 3 to the power of 14. 3 to the power of 14. Okay. Now because 2 sevens are 14. A power m whole power n is a power mn. 3 power 14. That is the standard form now. Okay. Now what to find out? Number of divisors. Number of divisors of 9 power 7 is equal to, how much is that? 14 plus 1, that is 15. Therefore, product of factors of 9 power 17, sorry 7, 9 power 7 only, that is equal to 9 power 7 whole to the power of d of, this is the number of divisors of that is 15 by 2. Okay, n is 9 power 7 and its number of divisors are 15, so 15 by 2. That is otherwise 9 power 7 again we can write as 3 to the power of 14. So 3 to the power of 14 into 15 by 2. Okay, that is 3 to the power of 2 ones are and 2 sevens are. 7 into 15, that is 105. So 3 to the power of 105 is the answer for this particular question. Okay, so out of given 4 options, the fourth option is 3 to the power of 105. So that is the right option for this particular question. Okay, now we will move to the next question. The product of factors of 29 is, product of factors of 29 is, it is a simple question actually, no need of any formula. Why? 29 we can write as only 1 and 29, that's all, because it is a prime number. 29 is a prime number. We can write it as 1 and 29. Only 2 are the factors of it, 1 and itself. So what is the product of factors? 1 and 29 are the factors. So the product is 1 into 29 itself. 1 into 29 is nothing but 29. So that is the first option. No need of any formula here. Okay. Now let us move to the next formula. Next question. The product of factors of 3125. The product of factors of 3125 is. Okay. So what is the first step? We all know that first we have to convert 3125 into product of primes, or we have to write 3125 as 3125 in its standard form. Okay. Now 3 won't cancel here. Let us do with 5. Divide with 5. We have 6 to 5. Okay. Now again with 5, that is 125. Again with 5, that is 25. Again with 5, that is 5. So 3125 is nothing but 5 to the power of 5. So 3125 we have as 5 to the power of 5. Okay. Now what is the number of divisors of 3125? So that is d of 3125, that is equal to, it is nothing but 5 plus 1. Okay. P1 power alpha 1. So alpha 1 plus 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. Therefore product of factors of, or product of divisors of 3125 is equal to n, that is 3125 to the power of d of 3125 divisors of 3125 upon 2, that is 3125 to the power of divisors of 3125 are 6 upon 2. Okay, 6 upon 2. 2 ones are and 3 3s are, that is equal to 3125 whole cube. 3125 whole cube. But in the options, if you see, there is no option with 3125 whole cube. So let us write 3125 in the form of 5 power 5, 5 power 5 whole cube. That is nothing but 5 to the power of 15. Okay, 3125 we are writing as 5 to the power of 5. Then 5 power 5 whole cube is going to be 5 to the power of 15. So that option is there as fourth option. So fourth option is the right answer for this particular question. We have to check even that, because 3125 whole cube, yeah, that also we have. Sorry, even that also we have. Third option. So third option and fourth option both will be the answers for this particular question. We have that also. Okay. Now let us move to the next question. The product of factors of 500 is. The product of factors of 500 is. Solution. The product of factors of 500. First step is convert 500 as product of prime factors. So 500 means let us divide with 2, that is nothing but 250. So again with 2 if you do, that is 125. Again with 5 if you do, that is 25. Now with 5 means it is 5 5s are 25. So 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. Okay. So 500 we can write as 2 square into 5 into 5 into 5, that is 5 cube. 2 square into 5 cube. That is the standard form of it. Therefore, number of factors of 500, that is d of 500. d of 500 is 2 plus 1 times of 3 plus 1. That is nothing but 3 times of 4, that is 12. Okay. Therefore, product of factors of 500 is nothing but 500 to the power of d of 500 by 2. Okay, n to the power of d of n by 2. That is going to be 500 to the power of, that is 12 upon 2. 12 upon 2 is nothing but 500 to the power of 6. So the product of factors of 500 is going to be 500 to the power of 6. So out of the given 4 options, second option is that. So second option is the right option for this particular question. Okay, that is the end of today's assignment. Thank you. Have a good day.